Hey y'all, it's Kenny here. I'm back with another vlog today. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are back joining me, turn on your notifications, honey, so you know when I'm dropping another video. So you guys, I am on my way to get my lashes done. Today is the lash day, baby, and I'm just going to get me a full set. I kind of want a spiky sort of look, so we'll see how that goes. I don't want them super thick, but I do want them looking glam, so I can wake up glam and gorge. So I am trying out a new lash tech today because I strongly believe I was allergic to that damn goo, and I don't want to repeat a last time where I'm taking pills, dropping drops in my eyes. I ain't got that type of time, honey. I got shit to do this week. I'm hella busy. I'm making some moves. Bitch, we made 50K! I'm so excited. I've been working on that for quite some time, y'all, and you know, I've been doing this as a hobby, you know, and I said this year I'm gonna take this shit like full, you know, full blast, take it, you know, serious. So we gonna see, you know. But long story short, y'all, I'm going to go get my lashes done, and she's about an hour away. She did text me to tell me or ask me if I can come a little bit sooner, so I am coming probably about 40 minutes prior to my appointment. So I'm on my way there now, but I'm probably going to hit up Dollar Tree today, y'all, because they got some stuff that I really need. And then I am going to, or I'm trying to head to Walmart after that as well. And I also need to get my brows done. Y'all see the brows? Thank you. They're not cute. So I need to get those done. I'm looking a little rough.
Right onto Texas 121 Business South.
Oh, y'all just don't interrupt me like that. It's cool though. But now, y'all, so I'm gonna do that today. But once I get my lashes done, I'll go ahead and check in with y'all then. And y'all, that Smoothie King is so freaking good. If you have never tried a pineapple serve from Smoothie King, you are missing out, baby. But yeah, let me get to it because clearly my GPS like, bitch, you need to get there on time, okay? So I will see y'all when I get there. So y'all, they're done. Naya hooked your girl up. I'm filling my lashes. Don't mind my nails. Quick disclaimer, I'm in the process of doing some things, making some moves, and until I announce that, I'm just not going to get my nails done because it'll probably be just like a week. But I don't want to get them done because I don't want to mess them up. And typically when you put the top coat on and then you're dealing with chemicals and all that other stuff, it kind of like peels off. So I ain't trying to go there. I ain't trying to, you know, spend my coins to have to go get them done in like a week. So yeah, so I'm gonna soak these off and go see Lena so she can hook your girl up. But right now I'm at the post office. I'm going to go ahead and drop these packages off, y'all. I had some packages over the weekend and all that good stuff, so I want to get it in the mail, get them done, because I think the last day I'm going to ship out orders this week will be it'll be Thursday. It'll be Thursday. So I want to make sure that I get all the stuff in that I can, so I don't even have to worry about it, honey, because your girl making some silent moves. So y'all will see that. Y'all will see that soon. But I'm gonna get in here, get these orders in the mail, and then I think I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree first. And then get my eyebrows did. So yeah, I'll see y'all then. Y'all, so we have arrived, honey. We are at freaking Dollar Tree, and so I'm gonna go in there and see what they have. I'm too excited. I want to see if any of that I can use for a few of my projects at the end of this week. So we will go in there and see what they got. Y'all, they got the Valentine's Day stuff out. I cannot wait to decorate our little section, because I think I'm just gonna do like a little bit of stuff just to kind of like set the mood for me and Bae. But yeah, I really like the new stuff that they have. These are actually super cute too.
Oh, they got the Valentine's like that girlfriend. Oh man.
They got the St. Patty stuff, but I'm not ready for all that yet. Oh, they got bands here. Y'all, Dollar Tree got $1 plus. The 3 and the 5. I saw it before, but I didn't see as much stuff. So let me see what else they got. Y'all, Naya did that. My lashes are popping. Like, she said, girl, you want bottoms? I was like, I know what happened the last time I got it with another lash tag. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Saw this lady. I'm gonna link her YouTube. Look at me. I'm gonna link her YouTube below. But she did like the Chanel cases. And I really like them. She got the frames and stuff from here. So I'm gonna see if they have them so that I can do that, because I think that will be a really bomb DIY. So I'm looking here for the frame she used, and I think maybe this is it, but I could very well be wrong. But she had like holographic frames, and I thought they were super cute, but I don't see them here. Yeah, I don't see them here. But I also can spray paint them holographic. It just would have been cool to already have them done. Y'all, I found them. They were on the back end here. So I'm gonna grab, they got 5 here, so I'm gonna grab 4 so I can make my stuff like she did. So I'm so happy I found these, because you can't beat that. $4. I'm a DIY those Chanel containers. So y'all, I had to go grab a cart because they have like so many really cute things, including these guys here. And that's only a freaking $1. Like, you cannot beat that. But yeah, I said I was gonna like decorate a little bit for Valentine's Day. They got bathroom fizzers. They got bath bombs, you guys. I'm gonna grab these. They got facial wipes. I don't know how I feel about watermelon, so I'm gonna leave them there. But I think that's super, super dope. They got watermelon aloe beads. Y'all, you can literally come here and set the whole mood at Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day. You and bae gonna really be set, honey. Are those cards? Yes, honey, these are cards. Oh, y'all, this is just so freaking cute. These are just so cute. So I'm gonna get those. And then they also have like the cutouts right there. I didn't even notice. And then let's see what else they got. They got socks. Oh, these are so super cute. You can never have enough socks, ever. And I'm not even a sock wearer, but I sure will throw some on real quick in between the pedicure, honey. Look at these two. These are super cute. Not really feeling the flamingo ones, but those are cute for those who like flamingos. And I like the gray hearts. I even like the ones that spell love on them too. This is cute. And they can keep them Be Mine socks, but these are, all 3 of these are really cute. And they got the doilies if you want to set your table up and stuff. And they also got them in white. Oh, these are cute. cute, bitch. These are cute. Oh, these are so cute. You are awesome. Y'all, these are too freaking cute. Oh, I love you so much. I can't. I can't. Oh, they're so cute. Yeah, I like this little sippy cup though. I might just grab it just because I like the way it looks. But yeah, they have the stickers and stuff. And y'all, these are ballpoint pens. Where they do that? Oh, y'all, them babies now. Get your babies. But yeah, these are super cute. The ballpoint pens. These are cute as like little gifts.
No, leave it.
But yeah, sticker boxes, all that stuff. But I think I'm gonna get what I got so far. I'm gonna come back and get some of this stuff because I'm not quite sure after we finish like moving around some stuff how it's gonna look. So before I even purchase anything, I'm gonna look at that first. But let me get to the register and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so I just finished getting all my stuff from Dollar Tree. I'm so excited. I have it. So I'm gonna go run and get some gas real quick and then head to get my eyebrows done, honey. You can't even see this poor ass lighting, but about to go get those done. And then I will see y'all then. So y'all, this is the brow threading place that I go to. And they typically do a really good job and I like their hours. So I'm gonna go in here and get this done. Do y'all see my eyebrows? I am not happy. Like, I am not feeling these hoes at all. Like, I don't like the way she did them. I'm telling her while she's doing them that I'm not feeling them. And then she says, oh, well, let me try the other one. And then I see both of them and they look like freaking cousins. Like, bitch, I didn't ask for cousins. I'm looking for sister or more. So I'm sitting here like, I don't like them, you know. Well, that's the best I could do. Bitch, that's the best you could do. Like, I don't understand. I didn't come up here and pay my money for the best you could do. I'm looking for the service that you said you were going to provide. So long story short, I paid for them hoes. I always get them done there. So there's no reason for me to think that if I go, they're not going to go out looking good. Neither here nor there. I'm going to go and I'm going to see Niche something tomorrow. But I'm not going to let that ruin my day, you know, clearly, because we've had a good day. You know, everybody can't be like Naya and hook your girl lashes up, okay? Have them looking good, okay? Everybody can't be like her, okay? But it's cool, no big deal. I think part of the reason why I'm irritated is because I'm a little hangry. I'm a little hangry. So I'm gonna give me something to eat and we gonna finish the vlog like that. I'm gonna try to end it on a positive note, okay? It's 2021, okay? So I'm not even going to allow something that minute to, you know, mess up the rest of my day. It's not even worth all that. But I will see their asses tomorrow. Understand, these brows are getting fixed, okay? But I love you guys so much. Again, I'm so happy we're at 50K. I'm so humbled because I can't believe y'all with your girl like that, you know what I'm saying? So I love you guys so much and I will see you all in my next vlog. Later.
I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. When my Ken's at, take me to the party world. Dress up time, let's party girl. Dreamhouse.